Hey guys, how you going? My name is Dom and welcome to your fifth Dom7 tutorial. So today I want to take you through interacting with properties inside Dom7. So basically we're going to be learning how to get and set property values using the Dom7 library. So this behavior is very similar to the attributes section of Dom7, where we actually use a single method to both get and set property values. So here we have a select block with three options, and we're going to use the prop method inside Dom7 to actually get and set some properties on this select element. Okay, so let's see the source code for this document. It looks like this. So we have the select block right there with an ID of mySelect and also the three options inside here. Alright, so let's first look at getting a property value. So every select element contains a property called selected index, and this contains a number which refers to the currently selected option. So we have here option number 0, option number 1, and option number 2. So selected index will get this value. So down here inside the JavaScript, let's put a comment for prop. Okay, looks like that. We're going to get a value. So down here, we're going to define a new constant which will hold the selected index. So we can say const, call this one si, equal to, then using Dom7, the return value of the prop method. Okay, so let's just select the actual select element. So with an ID of mySelect inside here. Alright, and then we're going to call the prop method. This one will take in a single argument, and that being the actual property name. So we're going to call or select selected index. Alright, so now si contains a number which is the selected index. If I was to now console.log si like that, I can save this and refresh my browser, and we get 0 in the developer console. So we can see that 0 is for Monday, and then so on. So if I was to actually change this to Wednesday and then run this code once more inside the actual console this time, like that, press enter here, and we get 2. So we can see there an easy way to get properties using Dom7. Alright, we can also set properties just as easy. So back inside the source code, let's make a new section for using prop to set a value. Alright, so down here, let's once again select the select element. Alright, once again calling the prop method, this time taking in two arguments, the first one being the property name. In this case, we're going to set the selected index property to the value of 1, so the value as the second argument. Okay, so now on page load, we should see Tuesday selected. Okay, so I can save this and refresh my browser, and we get Tuesday right there. So previously it was 0 as the selected index, and then we changed it to 1, so it becomes Tuesday. Alright, so pretty straightforward. We can also set multiple properties using Dom7. So down here, let's set both the selected index property and the disabled property at the same time. Alright, so let's just say once again prop, this time set multiple. Alright, so now once again we're going to just copy and paste this right here. So select this select element, calling the prop method, this time passing in an object as an argument. Okay, so we can put 2 curly braces right there, press enter, and now we can specify the key and pair values for the properties. Okay, so let's set the selected index property like that, and have it have a value of, let's just say 2. Okay, so Wednesday. And then using a comma, we can now put through a second property name. So we'll say disabled as being true. So here we're setting multiple properties using a single method call. Alright. So by default, the disabled property is false on this select block. So now, if I was to save this and refresh, we should see that we get Wednesday. Okay. And if I was to try and click on this, it doesn't work. So the select box is disabled. Alright, so that right there is how you can use Dom7 to interact with properties. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.